Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a new Instagram feature called Photo Drop feature on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone. And before I show you the Photo Drop feature, I'm going to create an Instagram story. I'm going to click on your story and then I'm going to pick random photo from my gallery. For example, I'm gonna go with this one guys, and to get the photo drop feature we can click on the sticker menu and we can scroll down until we find the photo drop. Okay, basically we can use this feature to collect photos from our followers. For example, I'm going to collect photos of magic, so I'm just going to type magic and then we can change the color right here. I'm gonna go with the purple. Okay, then you can read the description. Viewers send photos here and viewers will be credited when you share their photos in your story. Okay, I'm just going to click on done and I'm going to make it smaller. Okay, and I'm going to share it to my Instagram. Okay, now the story is being uploaded and then I'm going to open my another Instagram account to check it guys. Okay, I'm going to switch to this account. Okay, and then this is the story I have just uploaded and I'm going to click on send photos. Okay, here I'm able to send a photo from my gallery. I'm gonna go with this one and I'm going to click on send. Okay, now the photo has been sent and then I'm just going to go back to my first account and I'm going to go to the notification. Okay, as you can see, I'm going to see it. All right, and this is the reply and I'm just going to tap on that. And if you want to share this photo to your story, you can click on share response, or you will be able to delete the response as well. And I'm just going to click on share response. Okay, and before we share it to our Instagram, we can edit the story, but I'm just going to leave it like that. Oops, sorry guys. And then I'm just going to click on your story. Okay, and now the story is being posted and I'm going to go back and check it. Okay, this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use for the drop feature on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.